Hello everyone, thank you very much for joining me for today's snapshot. Today we're going to be looking at the Euro Pound pullback, and specifically we're going to be looking at it using Ichimoku analysis. But before we do that, please take note of the following important information. CFDs are high risk products. Please be aware of the risks that they pose. Also know that this is a general market commentary only and does not constitute investment advice. Finally, these are our sources of information for today's snapshot. Okay, thank you very much for that. Now, according to Bloomberg, the EU won't offer concessions to Prime Minister Johnson ahead of the UK's self-imposed 15th October Brexit deadline. Talks this week may therefore escalate. The EU is effectively betting that Prime Minister Johnson is bluffing that he will walk away without a deal. Now, if this is true, talks will continue at least into November. Let's bring up our chart. And this is the Ichimoku. Please take note of the orange lagging line. You can see that that is above price, which is indicative of a positive momentum. We do note that there was a strong impulse at the beginning of September. This has pulled back to the black baseline. Now the black baseline is holding steady, and as long as it does, this is likely a pullback as opposed to a trend change. And if that is in fact the case, then we may see another impulse move up. Now importantly, we are looking at the black baseline to see if it starts trending up. Let's end off with some key takeaways. The EU is betting on Prime Minister Johnson bluffing that he will walk away from the Brexit negotiations without a deal. This is next Thursday on the UK's self-imposed deadline of the 15th of October. If it is a bluff, talks are likely to continue into next month, and we do note that the Ichimoku baseline is holding. If it moves up, then the Euro Pound may be developing into an uptrend. I hope that you've enjoyed this snapshot. If you did, please click on the subscribe button below. Thank you very much for joining me today, and I look forward to speaking with you again in the near future.